Hello dear friends. Welcome to our channel The Astro Saga. Hope you all are doing good. Horoscope today, the 4th of September 2020. What your fate says on Friday. Continue for daily horoscope reading. The daily horoscope is based on the calculation of the lunar planet. The horoscope is calculated and accurate astronomical analysis is done while extracting the horoscope. The horoscope of all 12 zodiac signs is told in our daily horoscope. By reading this horoscope, you will be able to make your daily plans successful. Today's horoscope predicts for your jobs, business, transactions, relationships with family and friends, health, and auspicious and inauspicious events occurring throughout the day. Stay tuned to our channel for daily predictions. Aries, it will be a good day to start. Be full of confidence regarding work. Today your mind will toward worship. There will be peace and happiness in the home. Expenses will increase. Mental stress can also increase. Beware of opponents. Health can interfere with day-to-day activities. Don't spend too much time on entertainment and beauty. This is a great time to build business contacts in other countries. Keep an eye out for people who may be leading you astray or giving you information that could be detrimental to you. Get up in the morning and get the blessings of parents. All work will be successful. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Taurus, today will be a wonderful day. Fate will be with you today. The desire to fulfill your wishes will arise in the mind. Health will be good. Spouse can get angry. Stress in the family will increase. You will get good results in your work. The desire to meet friends will awaken in the mind. Love life will be happy. If your work is related to the field of education, religious institutions, import-export, etc., then you are likely to get benefits today. People who are job seekers today can get promotions as well as any additional responsibility, which will increase their status. Today is a favorable day for business progress. Health will be better, but keep exercising regularly. Students of this amount will also get good results today. Go before the sun god with folded hands, positivity will come. Have a good day at work. Gemini, your focus will be on work. Will also give time to family. There will be a success in creating a balance between the two. Coordination in family life will be great. Treat everyone well. Health may decline. There will be happiness in the family. You can benefit from the work done. There may be a conflicting situation in the office regarding your or someone else's work. There are also great successes. Help can be obtained from the authorities. You can be socially active. Confidence can increase. You can also get a big job. You will feel a little uncertain about some of your tasks. There may also be unnecessary expenses. Donate clothes to the needy. Your stopped work will be completed. This is your day, make the most of it. Cancer, your high mercury can get you in trouble. As the day progresses, financially will improve. Today will bring good results in both married life and love life. You can open new doors in your career by enhancing your professional abilities. Work will be established. Friends and close ones will reach out to you for help. You also have the potential for great success in your field. Try to be better than others by honing all your abilities. Have a very nice day. Leo, you will feel stressed about something. This will also have an effect on the work, which can also lead to some disturbances in the work. Today your mind will be on social and political activities. Your old social work will be appreciated among the neighbors. There will also be some good news today. Do not take the wrong path to fulfill your desires, otherwise, you may regret it later. Expenses will remain but income will be good. The children will give you happiness. Today you may have to travel for economic gain. You can plan to go for a walk with your family in the evening. Some new contacts may add to your list today, which will benefit you in the future. Maybe go out to dinner at night with friends. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Virgo, will focus on increasing business. Conversations with new people will move forward. The day will be full of happiness in family life. Give your spouse time. The partner can have serious discussions with you on money and health matters. Good day for romance. Romantic relationships can be even deeper. Will do some good deeds for the happiness of the spouse. Income will be good. Use your intellect to achieve success in tasks. Everyday tasks can be completed on time. Businesses can benefit from long-term investments. With the help of friends, even a special task can be done quickly. Someone may even try to deceive you. Keep smiling because this is the key to have a happy life. Libra, due to workload, there will be mental stress. It is a day of fun and favorite work. People will notice your dedication and hard work, and today you can get some financial benefits as a result. Income will be good. Good day for business. There will be little stress in family life. Your spouse's health may be a cause for concern and he or she may need medical attention. You can transmit new energy in your love life by going for a walk together. Today can be a bit of a hassle, but you can overcome every difficulty with patience and a calm mind. Today you will find yourself in the center of people's attention when someone will be rewarded or appreciated for your cooperation. Have a nice day. Scorpio, today will be a good day for you. Today you can get help from your spouse in any work. The marital relationship will be full of sweetness. Your complications can be reduced today. There will be a pleasant atmosphere in the family. Will want to think of something new. Income will be good, which will make the heart happy. Today is an auspicious day for poets and professors. The day will also be good for the students. You may find some good news related to the competitive exam today. Today there will be stability in the economic sector. Health will be better than before. Get up in the morning and go to Mother Earth. The day will go well. Have a good day ahead. Sagittarius, today is the day to win the hearts of family members. Would love to spend the whole day with them. There is a possibility of success in the work which has been stopped for several days. You will also focus on work and prove yourself with your ability. Good thoughts will come to mind. Would love to help others. There will be a sigh of happy time even in family life. Some new opportunities to make money can suddenly be found. New part-time work can also be found. Can sell old things. Material pleasures will increase. There may be a change in the way of working. Income will be good. Good luck. Capricorn, it would be nice to spend the day with friends. You will consult them regarding a particular work. Today you will earn good money, but an increase in expenses may be incurred in some family work. You will remain mentally strong. There will be an atmosphere of love and happiness in family life. Your partners will support your new plans and ideas. Sudden travel can cause you to become restless and stressed. Today will be good for the purchase of the landed property. Young people may need to get some opinions about the school project. Your popularity will increase and you will easily attract people of the opposite sex. Doubts about your spouse today can have a bad effect on your marital life in the days to come. Feeding someone in need today will increase the well-being of the home. May you have a happy day. Aquarius, today will be a good day for you. Relatives may visit your home. Expenses will remain. Helping an elderly person today will improve the economic situation. Health will be a little weak, but still, the income will be good. The elders will shower blessings, which will lead to success in the works. The day may be full of stress for the family life, but people living a love life will enjoy the day. Unmarried women of this zodiac sign can get good marriage proposals these days. The day will go well with a love mate. Spouses can make something good for you to eat at home. Sweetness will remain in relationships. Also, today is a good day to talk and interact with people you only meet occasionally. Hope you have a great day. Pisces, focus on yourself. There will be tremendous confidence in the mind. Whether you are married or in love with someone, today is a good day for you. Do your work with a little caution in connection with the work. A serious matter can be discussed with friends. Do not tell your weakness to anyone. Income will be good. The chances of getting an influential and big post may also increase. Consider the business situation and plan for the future. It is good for you today not to keep any old thing or worry in mind. Have a successful day ahead and know that everything always works out in the end. Thank you for listening and please press the like button. Stay tuned for daily horoscope predictions. Kindly subscribe to our channel. May you have the best day ahead. Take care.